Imagine a creature so elusive and deadly that a single sting could spell disaster. The cone snail, a seemingly innocuous sea dweller with a beautiful, patterned shell, harbors one of nature's most potent venoms. In 1935, a fisherman off the coast of the Philippines had an unexpected and nearly fatal encounter with this marine assassin. As he collected shells, a cone snail extended its proboscis and delivered a venomous sting. Within moments, the fisherman experienced paralysis, unable to move or call for help. Miraculously, he survived, offering a rare glimpse into the paralyzing power of conotoxins contained in the snail's venom. These toxins, designed to immobilize prey almost instantaneously, are now studied for their potential in developing powerful painkillers, highlighting the dual nature of venom as both a deadly weapon and a beacon of medical innovation.